Hi and welcome back to Chicago Car Club. My name is Mike and today we're going to be taking you around this super cool 1983 Ford Mustang. This is a GT. It is finished in Regatta Blue. It has a ton of aftermarket parts on it that were all professionally done. The car is awesome. That is the only way I can describe this thing. We're going to go through, show you everything we see on it, and point out any flaws, take it for a test drive, put it up in the air. Please refer to our listing to see the full list of aftermarket parts and work that's been done on this car. It is long and distinguished. This car originated out of New Jersey, where it was sold new. It then spent most of its time here in Michigan, most recently under the watch and care of a licensed Ford mechanic. It has a ton of Ford racing parts on it, lots of upgrades all over the place. It is an incredible car to drive. It is incredibly well sorted. It does have a Vortex Supercharger on it. The body is nice and straight. It's rust free. No dents, a couple little chips on the door that have been touched up. There was one ding above that you might have seen, which we had removed with PDR. All the way around, the car is nice and straight. These are new wheels with tires. They look great on the car. This is a factory T-top car. We have a full Marty report, Carfax report. We believe the mileage on the car is correct at 50,000. However, the Carfax shows a potential discrepancy from 10 years ago at 60,000, which just doesn't quite add up to us. But regardless, the car shows really well. It's really in great shape. Very few blemishes. You'll see some paint blemishes and little things like that. It's in its original colorway. Might have had some paint on some of the panels over the years, but again, the car is really straight and nice. Some rock chips there on the lower fender edges from the leading edge of the tires. Interior is really nice. Some upgraded features, new steering wheel. As of late, we've got the T-top pouches. We also have the original Ford Racing fitted car cover for it. And we'll take you on a ride and you can see how it runs. But again, we recommend you refer to the parts list in our listing. As always, we encourage you to reach out, call or text anytime. A couple little pinch weld, if you will, blisters there, but you can call or text us anytime at 312-420-3696. This does have a Ford Racing crate short block 302 in it. It's got an Edelbrock Performer set of heads on it, Ford Racing Cobra intake that's polished. It's got a BBK throttle body. It has a Ford Racing oil pump, Ford Racing starter, Ford Racing flywheel, again the Vortec HO S-Trim Supercharger. It has been professionally tuned. It's got Ford Racing injectors. You name it, this thing has it. Dyno-Max shorty headers, Griffen Aluminum radiator. It's got a Tremec TKO 600 5-speed trans in it with a 373 rear end gear. The Moser 31T axles. It's got upgraded brakes all the way through on the front end. It's got Ford Racing upper control arms, Maximum Motorsports adjustable arms, Bilstein shocks all the way around. This thing is incredible. Just showing you around, the under edges of the doors here are nice and dry. They were able to retrofit a SVO turbo gauge into the dash for the boost reading for the superchargers, so it looks really clean. It's got an aftermarket Bluetooth radio integrated into it, and as you can see, original interior looks really good. Original carpets. The dash is in nice shape. This thing hauls the mail nicely. It is super fun to drive. It's short throw shifter, good highway gear in it. It sounds good, and it runs and drives just as you'd hope with this stack of parts on this car. Again, it was purchased from a local gentleman here. Their family is heavily involved with Ford. He's a Ford certified mechanic. He personally put a bunch of time into this car. It has air conditioning that blows cold. It was recently serviced, and you can see a lot of Motorcraft parts all throughout it. It does have, we want to point out, it's got an MSD ignition setup in it, but it is currently not using the MSD, and it was tuned and running through its original electronic ignition system on it. You can hear, runs really well. Strut brace in the front there. Just very consistent front to back with all the work, and very thoughtfully collected parts and assembled properly. Seldom do we take a car that's been heavily modified and have so many good things to say about it, but this car is sorted, tuned, feels like you could put it on a track. I don't believe it was tracked, but it just feels nice and tight. It's very confidence inspiring, both under acceleration and braking, as you'll see here. Forgive me, I'm trying to film this video while driving a supercharged Positraction Mustang that stick shifts. So we're doing our best, but trying to show you how well it tracks. It feels really good in the hands, nice and tight, tracks straight, and under braking it stops nice and straight as you'd expect. It's got really good pedal under it. We'll take it down the road here, wind it out through the gears a little bit, get it back to the shop, get it up in the air for you, and show you the underside. It does have an aluminum drive shaft on it. I guess what we just found out is that the odometer showing 50,000 and the discrepancy on Carfax, apparently it is just that it has about 13,000 miles over the odometer, so I'm assuming at some point that odometer was swapped out or the cable was replaced or something. But this is definitely a sub 100,000 mile car without a doubt. On the condition alone, we certainly believe the mileage to be accurate in the 60s. All the lights work. AC blows ice cold, just recently serviced. Again, we have the Ford Racing fitted cover for the car, which looks great. We'll show you a picture of, but again, refer back to our photos and our listing, and as always, we encourage you to reach out and give us a call anytime to hear more. Here's that Ford Motorsport cover fitted, looks really good on the car. And then up in the air, we want to show you around lower edge of the panels, the underside of the car. You'll see all the suspension parts and Bilstein and all that stuff that you're I think if you assembled this car today with the parts on here, you'd probably spend a multiple of 2 to get to the level that this is at, and that's to the actual price we're asking for the car. So there's a lot of parts here. Obviously a really desirable body style. These Fox bodies bring back a lot of memories, especially for me as a kid, but they've really come to life in terms of desirability. Again, the fit and finish of all the mechanical work done on the car is excellent. The car is nice and straight. Again, as you can see on the underside, we see no signs of any prior accident repair, frame damage, anything like that. The unibody looks great. It's nice and straight and solid. Again, we appreciate you watching. We encourage you to reach out. We look forward to speaking with you. 312-420-3696.